Hello friends, welcome to Ansarkari, your own channel, and I am your friend Vikas Bhardwaj. Today we are going to take up such a topic which may not be forming directly part of any objective question, or you can say it may not be part of a single framed question, but it is an integral part of your whole preparation. Yes, social media and internet's internal security threat. क्या है ये? What is the relationship between social media and internal security threat? Because Indian security is, because of its masses, the most important and vital asset for any nation is its people. Therefore, citizen will decide what can be and should be the course of action. How? Let's see. Internet penetration in India, that's what I was talking about. It showcases how many people have access to internet, चाहे फिर वो 2G, 3G, 4G, whatever it is, बात access की हो रही है. When we say that Indians are billions, and also Indians have billions in number of mobile phone connection, internet users and active social media users. एक्टिव का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपको पता चल गया आपको करना क्या है. टाइम पास करना आसान है क्योंकि शायद पहले समय में भी कुछ न कुछ हॉबीज रही होंगी. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एंशिएंट इंडिया, बट देन इन द प्रेजेंट जनरेशन ऑफ 21st century, social media pastime is a very very active influencer. And pastime hobby कब बन गया और hobby कब खतरनाक रूप ले लेती है, we never know that. That is why internet penetration is one of the key factors which actually is helping India and also can be a threat when it comes to internal security. बात करते हैं कैसे, क्योंकि इंटरनेट सिक्योरिटी होगी, आई मीन टू से इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी की बात होगी तो सोशल मीडिया की बात भी आएगी. सोशल मीडिया यूसेज डिसाइड सोशल मीडिया बिहेवियर, what kind of behavior it is manifesting, because it is including both messages, audios, videos, animated versions and so on. Then let's come to understand that how much time an active user is spending. In that also you have urban, rural, and then you have in the news terms like toolkit. अचानक से आपको याद आता है that in your home there is also a toolkit, maybe of certain instruments, or toolkit of, say for example, certain औजार जिसको हम कहते हैं, electricity or for plumbing or so on. So social media behavior is actually a manifestation which helps you to understand the direction. किस हद तक और किस मूवमेंट के ऊपर किसी भी देश को स्टेप्स लेने चाहिए. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द एक्टिव स्टेप्स. हाउएवर इन द लॉन्गर रन it is the training, it is the awareness, it is the sensitization जो decide करेगी what will be the public behavior and whether social media usage in an uncontrolled manner it poses a threat to internal security or not. Mind the word uncontrolled, because regulated and restricted idea जैसे ही आता है, then comes to the fact that there has to be a fine balance between the freedom, that is freedom of speech and expression, freedom to have your opinion in a democracy like India, और वो भी किस हद तक या कौन सी बात कहां पर क्या जाकर करती है और उसको लीगली प्रूव करना. दैट इज वाई सोशल मीडिया यूसेज इज कमिंग अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. सो व्हाट आर द थ्रेट्स? आखिर नुकसान क्या है? आप प्रोडक्ट देख सकते हैं, आप किसी का रिव्यू लिख सकते हैं, यू कैन टॉक अबाउट एनिमल्स, यू कैन टॉक अबाउट प्लांट्स, यू कैन टॉक अबाउट बॉर्डर एरियाज ऑल्सो, you can share sensitive information also, you can share something which will be seen that it is in encrypted mode. That is why WhatsApp have been trying to prove as its strategy that by accepting its privacy policy, your private communication and information will not be compromised. And there had been a huge debate. That is another factor because India is a big market. But यहाँ बात हो रही है राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा की, हमारी सुरक्षा की. तो सोशल मीडिया का रोल यहीं से शुरू हो जाता है that if there is a false information spreading through it, what have been the aspect of fake news अलग से करेंगे. अलग से देखेंगे. But then false information, especially in innocent and gullible areas of India. मैं बात कर रहा हूं उन लाखों लोगों की, those who are not having any kind of exposure to mechanizations of wrong people, I mean to say radical people, I mean to say vested interests. वो जो सुनेंगे वो मान लेंगे, क्योंकि कल तक पंचायत में ऐसी कोई बात नहीं होती थी जो सच ना होती हो. Indian tradition and culture, which is based upon truth, humility, dignity and communication, that will be also coming into picture. Because social media, आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, and then you must have seen in Twitter or otherwise also that retweets are not endorsed. एक आपने ऊपर डिस्क्लेमर दे दिया और उसके बाद आप कुछ भी करते रहिए. तो बहुत तरह के फैक्टर्स हैं. सो नेशनल सिक्योरिटी के लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है दैट व्हाट शुड बी अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन सोशल मीडिया बिहेवियर. तो क्या हो सकता है? एथिक्स के एंगल से देखें, देयर कैन बी अ शॉर्ट कोर्स, it can be part of the curriculum, like the way Delhi government have been talking about Desh Bhakti curriculum. We have to see what's that. Similarly, you have an idea that social media can be really helpful in case of disaster management also. So वो भी इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी के पर्सपेक्टिव से एक पॉजिटिव स्टेप हुआ. बट जब हम बात करते हैं एंटी सोशल या रेडिकल एलिमेंट्स, देन यू हैव साइबर टेररिज्म. सोशल मीडिया कोऑर्डिनेट कर सकता है, स्लीपर सेल्स आपस में कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं. There can be spreading of propaganda, there can be hate speech, and thus starts a vicious cycle, जो एक दिन में ना शुरू होती है ना खत्म होती है. That is why we have to see that from the psychological aspect, from the training aspect, from the governance aspect, from the administrative aspect, from the political culture of India, that different aspects have been taken care of with respect to social media. लेकिन हम बात करते हैं और क्या हो सकता है. Then internal security can be disrupted if there are lot of financial frauds. क्यों? कैसे? There are a lot of financial transactions going wrong, or I mean to say there are financial frauds. हम बात करते हैं जमात्रा in Jharkhand, which have been known as I should say fraud, cyber fraud capital of India in terms of financial transactions. Suffer, all kind of people suffer, but mostly innocent and I should say simple people who are having you can say food to mouth life of existence, they suffer more. So that will actually create a kind of aversion for social media. It will create a pattern in society, possibly we are just talking about in theoretical manner, and that may be linked with internal security stability, because financial inclusion, if that process elongates for a longer time, India will remain a developing, or you can say its march towards Atmanirbharta will be challenged, and that is why it will take more time. Similarly, criminal activities can be planned, and money laundering, हवाला जिसको हम कहते हैं दूसरे terms में, we will also see it differently. That is also one of the aspects of internal security threat with respect to social media. Communal violence, definitely आपने एक fake news पढ़ी, आपने उसको propagate किया. That is why you can remember and you can recall that there had been a coordinated policy by social media giants like Facebook and WhatsApp, that they restricted number of forwards in India, and they took some other steps also as a part of public media policy in India. That had been a step. Supreme Court have also been talking कि भैया हो गए बहुत बड़े, but what about the privacy of people? So privacy and internal security is linked. Communal violence and fanning tension in society, we cannot directly blame on social media, but then responsible behavior on social media plays a very important role. That is why threats are there from social media. But then, like in Arab Spring, you had a positive start against dictatorship, positive start against corrupt and decadent governments. That is definitely to be appreciated. So in case of India, that is not the case, but then sensitization, more democratization, more penetration of positive ideas, better news, and also bringing out lacunas of administrative mechanism in broad daylight, that is definitely going to help our internal security matters in the longer run. Because कोई भी society, when it is peaceful, when it is coexistent in nature, then उसको कोई भी ताकत परेशान नहीं कर सकती, and definitely India is one of those. So we have to see that what are the challenges अगर मैं मॉनिटर करने लगूं सोशल मीडिया को as intelligence or as a police system or as an administrative system. So servers are located in different parts of the world. India के law India में चलेंगे. That is why it becomes one of the most important problems, because lack of geographical boundaries. Social media tweet is spread across the borders. We had seen in the recent times how an international politician or a celebrity, if tweeting about India, then it makes a difference to the people's opinion and they start reacting also. It has got complicated nature of networks and also highly advanced technology. India is definitely working on the same, but then that is one of the challenges, or you can say bottlenecks. Encrypted messages, I just told you, in the legal parlance also, you cannot just go and say कि भैया ये चलेगा, ये देखिए ये ट्वीट था. आप लीक कर सकते हैं, लीक हो जाता है, उससे इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है, एक हार्मनी, एक रिदम, एक प्रोसेस gets impacted, but then you can't just use it anywhere, anytime. There are certain norms and legalities involved. That is why complicated networks and you can say source of origin of messages, it becomes very, very difficult. Social media is like a big ocean in the 21st century, which is definitely a challenge for countries like China, which have been, regulating it very, very strictly, but how it can blast, we never know. Therefore, India has always believed in a balance between freedom of expression and also your ideas and also national security. It has not gone for any kind of overboard processes and such. That is why I am just narrating out क्या है जो रोकता है या कैसे आप ई सर्वेलेंस प्रोजेक्ट्स को इंडिया में देखेंगे. ई सर्वेलेंस प्रोजेक्ट्स आर फ्रॉम द पॉजिटिव गाइडलाइंस डिस्कस्ड इन पार्लियामेंट एंड देन कमिंग अप विद मैकेनिज्म. फॉर एग्जांपल नेट ग्रिड है या सेंट्रल मॉनिटरिंग सिस्टम है. अभी आपके लिए नाम काफी है, नाम समझ लिया, राइट टाइम पे नाम यूज कर दिया, वो बहुत है. नॉलेज गैदर करना एक अच्छी हॉबी और एक अच्छा प्रोसेस है, बट एग्जामिनेशन क्रैक करना है ऑल टुगेदर ए डिफरेंट बॉल गेम. सो इंटरनेट स्पाई नेटवर्क एंड ट्रैफिक एनालिसिस सिस्टम है, नेट्रा जिसको, नेत्र जिसको हम कहते हैं हिंदी में. नेशनल क्रिटिकल इंफॉर्मेशन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोटेक्शन NCIPC है, तो 4 आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. एंड द फ्यू मोर लाइक नेशनल साइबर कोऑर्डिनेशन सेंटर, ट्राई सर्विस साइबर कमांड फॉर द आर्म फोर्सेस ऑफ इंडिया, दैट इज इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ डिफेंस, साइबर अटैक्स एंड क्राइसिस मैनेजमेंट प्लान ऑफ इंडिया, और CERT, दैट इज कंप्यूटर इमरजेंसी रिस्पॉन्स टीम. नाम आपने सबके सुने होंगे. We will be talking about them differently somewhere else. But the goal is that there are mechanisms which are existing. There is need to be more comprehensive and coordinated as far as different agencies are concerned, so that India can have a seamless approach. It can figure out directly how to move forward, and also it can have a comprehensive approach, because involvement of citizens, stakeholders and also government is very, very important. So social media अपने आप में एक तरीके की law है. It's a flame which need to be propagated in the direction where it becomes an asset for our security. Border areas, there are tribes, there are nomad people, nomadic I mean to say, there are people, there are farmers, there are villages. Deep inside the forests, there are rangers. On the top of our borders, there is BRO, Border Road Organization, or ITBP. There are soldiers in Siachen. There are soldiers fighting and standing on our borders against, you can say, for example, China and Pakistan. There are issues of insurgency and also internal security threats in interiors of India, for example, Chhattisgarh, parts of Odisha and so on. So social media plays an important role. यहाँ पर बात ये नहीं है जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, but be sensible, be responsible and also bringing such qualities and ideas which makes you a responsible citizen. As far as individual is concerned and as far as government is concerned, it has come up with mechanisms including Information Technology Act and certain amendments to it, so that social media behavior will be regulated and can be regulated in a responsible manner in a democracy like India. आप क्या सोचते हो? How to understand the whole process? वरना न्यूज़पेपर में रोज न्यूज आती है, but is it of any use to you as far as examination and writing is concerned? Do write back to me, or you can get back anytime for any support and help. Thank you very much.